sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are also known as memory words or popcorn words. They're words that are frequently used in text, so frequently used that it's best to just memorize them. Because if you come across them while you're reading, you don't want your child stopping and sounding them out. You want them to just know it, and that way they'll understand what they're reading better because they'll read faster. Also, some of these sight words don't follow traditional decoding rules, so they can be confusing or frustrating, and the child might stumble on the word as they come to it, trying to use the skills that normally worked but don't work for this word. So sight words are best to be memorized, and this is a real simple way to practice sight words. I got beads. I just bought hair beads at the dollar store. I like them because they're plain, and I just wrote the sight words on the beads for story number 1, so that way she can make a sight word bracelet and she can see it as she's wearing it and practice reading her words. I like to write the whole word on the bead because if you write each letter on a different bead, when they string it, it's often backwards. The word comes out backwards, or they might mix up the letters and then they might be looking at the words wrong. And they also might not know where one word ends and another word begins. So if you just write the whole word with a Sharpie on the bead, they can just see each word and wear it as a bracelet. So these are sight word bracelets.